creating things in a spirit of fun. Just kind of have fun with it, just kind of fuck around, right? Right, so this is my little elevator thing here. The weighted belt. This thing is like, trying to put this thing on is like a fucking witchcraft. So what I recommend is when you're starting off, just do a quick warm up, a dynamic warm up, which just means just do normal chin ups. I prefer the neutral grip. I do like 2 or 3 reps, or what you can even try to do is do a progression where you lift a bit and then you hold and hang and switch arms. Essentially just to prime your muscles and to get the juices flowing. To get a quick pump, put on the fun belt, get some weights. Steal it from here. And, you know, typically with lifting, I do like micro reps, but it looks like, I don't know, I'm still getting stronger, so I don't really care too much. And the funny thing with form is, everyone tell you this is good form, this is bad form, blah blah. I say, fuck form, as long as you're just kind of having fun with it. You know, everyone's like, oh, you're gonna hurt yourself, but like, why do other people care if you're gonna hurt yourself? Like, it's just more people trying to spread their own personal virtuosity upon you, which I feel is very disingenuous. And also the Boy Scouts motto, right? Leave the place cleaner than you found it. Seems like a good ethic. In fact, I'm actually a Boy Scout, Eagle Scout. All right, so got some weights. Yeah, dude, thank God that we got this home gym. Even though it's not the Uber powerlifting gym I would love, I just gotta MacGyver it. Just kind of creative constraints. Sometimes the best innovations happen via the constraints, not from having unlimited optionality. So this is the basic setup.